start the video yet. Hello, it is Charlie, and I have ring lights coming out with my beautiful sister. So, we're going to do an unboxing. So, we've been working on this for quite some time to make the best ring lights in the world of lights. Is that a thing? Okay. But I wanted to unbox it because I want you guys to see everything that is inside. Okay, so this is the 8-inch ring light, and when you open the box, that's what it looks like. You've got a little stand here, and then you've of course got the remote and where it plugs into, and then you get the actual ring light, inside my head, with Dixie and Charlie on it, which is pretty sick. Okay? Now, of course, as someone who uses their phone a lot, you need an adjustable phone stand. Okay. So, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make the phone stand adjustable height-wise, which means doing that, and then putting this little thing over it, and you can go like that, and have it move however you want, and this also moves. Cool? And we're just going to tighten that, and we've also got this thing, so this we screw into here. Okay, then this we go like this. Okay, and then screw that into the ring light so it's all ready to be used. And then you, of course, have your phone stand. And then you go like that, and that's how the phone does help. So I'm going to switch over to the ring light so I can show you how all of the colors look in a dark room. Let's turn on. Oh! Okay, so we've got some really good lighting. We also have colors. Red, green, blue, I think is my favorite, yellow, purple, turquoise, red. Ooh, that's cute. Now we've got some multicolor, a little red that goes in a circle, rainbow that goes in a circle, red again that goes in a circle. Oh, that's really cool. Other way, dark red. This one is blue and green. This one is green and red. This one is blue and pink. Very good. That's red again. And then we go straight back to the beginning. So now we've got it on the other light. And this is just regular lights. So you have a warm undertone light, a blue undertone light, and just regular lighting. And you can dim it. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here so you can see. So now we dim it and it gets darker. Or we can turn it all the way up to be brighter, all controlled by this little remote. Pretty sick, if you ask me. Ooh. Ooh. Make sure you guys go shop Charlie Dixie Ringlight right now.